Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to see or how to view the FPS on Roblox game. So guys, before starting, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. So yeah, let's start the video. So to check FPS on Roblox on Windows, I'm using right now Windows platform, and if you want to use it guys, then guys there are two ways to check it. One way is to check by one way is to check by the game itself or the Roblox player itself. You just need to press shift plus F4, shift plus F4, and you will see the FPS detail here. Let me zoom in. So now you will see these FPS detail like physics and physics real and render, heartbeat, network scan, all the detail you will find here, and with all the deep detail that you want to know to check whether your Roblox game is performing better on your system or not. So that's how you can get this FPS detail. And the second option, the second way is to check the FPS with less detail and but the precise one. And let me turn it off by pressing again shift and F4. To check FPS again, you have to press Control G. Can you see? I don't know. So basically this is a game bar. So if you have a game bar on your system, you just need to press uh, Window plus G, and you will get the game bar, and where you can record RAM, FPS detail all here in the game bar. So you just need to press on the performance tab. So you will get all these details. I'm not sure it is showing in the video because I'm recording the video right now using basically I'm using the game bar itself. So I don't know why, if it is record itself or not. So yeah, these are the two ways to check, and yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh, what the hell. This is one of the post fall.